Some men can attract women like magnets. They use their charisma and charm effectively. How can you do this without losing your sense of self and sense of manhood? Is there some sort of shortcut you can take so that you can become that man? To give you a brief answer, yes. There are many tricks that can instantly make you more attractive to women. The tricky part is to know which card to play when, which move to make, and what boxes to tick in order to become more appealing. So I'll be talking about 3 triggers that will make a woman want to sleep with you. The first way to tell if a woman wants to sleep with you is that she will display a need for validation. It's very important to understand that women are different animals from men. She will only sleep with men if it improves her status in some way. It will need to feel like a win for her. If you look at social media and what guys are typically attracted to: vulgar, dirty websites and social pages. And what are girls typically attracted to? Social media, taking pictures, making videos, and sharing their thoughts. It's all about getting attention, likes, and validation. The girl you're attracted to probably already knows what you're into and knows that you probably want to sleep with her. To her, if it doesn't feel like validation or like a win for her, she will probably reject you. The only way to get what you want is to get what she wants. No woman wants to feel like she was easy to get, or that she slept with some random junkie. Many men overlook this when talking to women because they don't realize that women sleep with you to make them feel validated. Without validation or acceptance, she will want you even more. Women want an excuse to sleep with men, and many things could give her that excuse. Things like looks, fitness, status, work, or anything appealing. You must make your interactions feel like a win for her. A majority of the time, it won't work if it doesn't benefit her. This should be your main selling point. Number 2, competition anxiety. This is so important. You must listen if you want to be successful with women. The thing women fear the most is you falling in love with someone else. A lot of the time, it isn't even the intimacy that they're worried about. It's about the man falling in love with that other woman that he is intimate with. If you're a man of value and status and the guy she'd feel validated by, she won't want you to fall in love with women. Women are more likely to sleep with you if they know that other women are interested in you because they want to make you their own and lock you down. Her goal is to make you like her, not only on a sexual level, but also on a human level. If you can leverage competitive fear, you might have more options in the long run. Number 3, constantly improving. Whether you're improving your body, your business, or your fighting skills, the key is that you need to constantly build yourself up. You must keep improving, as it is more attractive to women in the long run. Trust me, you're going to surpass everyone who isn't taking this stuff seriously. Hold yourself and those around you to high standards, but don't forget these 3 rules in your life. And as always, you must strive to thrive.